Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Priya and today we are solving a very important array problem on LeetCode called max consecutive ones. So this is simple but very useful pattern based problem. So let's get started. Okay, so the problem says that you are given a binary array nums and only zeros and ones are present in it. So you need to find the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array. So let's take an example. If we take example number 1, here nums is 110111, so output is 3, so the longest sequence of ones is 3, which is at the last of an array. So the idea is very simple. We keep counting consecutive ones, so whenever we see 1 then we will increase the count, and if we see 0 then we will reset the count. So and this way we keep track of the maximum count. So let's try to implement it in our code in C++. So now we will take a variable. Sorry, let's take this is maximum. We will initialize it with 0, so this will store the maximum consecutive ones. And now we will take another variable which is count. So this will count current consecutive ones. Now we will iterate through the array using a for loop. Okay, so now we will check if the element is 1, then we will increase the count inside an if condition. If nums at I equals to 1, then we will increment our count, and we will update maximum if needed, which is max of maxi and count. Okay, so this was our if condition. Now we will run an else condition where we will take count equals to 0. So if element is 0, then we will reset the count as to 0. So after the for loop we will return our maximum. Let's try to run it. Okay, accepted. So now let's dry run it quickly. Here the nums is 110111. So if the first is 1, then count will be 1, and then after the second the count will be 2, like 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now here comes the 0. Now count will be reset to 0. So now count will be 0. Now here if we go the iterator, we go move forward, then it is 1, the count will again be 1. Now here is 1 again, the count will be 2, and here is 1 again, at the last the count will be 3. So maximum is 3, and that's our output as expected. So now the time complexity is like big O of n. Here the for loops run once, and the space complexity is big O of 1, which is constant. Now let's submit it. Accepted. So yeah, that's how we solve the maximum number of consecutive ones in an array. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be posting more DSA problems daily. See you in the next video. Thank you.